Good morning, students. Today we're going to see some important industries and their distribution in the world. Today we'll see two important industries, that is iron and steel industry and cotton textile industry. So starting with iron and steel industry. This industry is also known as basic or key industry. Now why it is known as basic or key? Because the finished products produced in this industry is used as raw materials in other industries in the form of machineries. Also, various other important industries and other sectors depend heavily on this industry. For example, automobile industry, shipbuilding industry, railways and locomotives, defense sector, all these depend on this industry. So what are the requirements now of this industry? The basic raw materials include, first of all, iron ore, limestone and dolomite, manganese, which makes steel very strong, huge amount of fresh water, fuel, and then other factors like huge capital investment, good transport network, labor and market. So all are its requirements. So now we'll talk about distribution of iron and steel industry in the world. First of all, talking about USA, important centers are located near Great Lakes region, Pittsburgh, Alabama, Lake Erie, etc. Iron and steel industry located at Detroit is an important center. Now what makes USA leading in iron and steel industry is the presence of favorable factors like good quality iron ore, coking coal, good transport network, and then huge amount of capital investment and domestic and as well as international market. Come to Europe, important centers are there in UK, Sweden, France, Germany, Italy, Poland, Belgium and Austria. In Russia, Ural region is important, including Ukraine and Magneta. And then in Asia, China and Japan are important iron and steel producing centers. There are some other countries which are important centers in South America and Africa. Now talking about India, India is the ninth largest steel producing country in the world. Important steel plants in India include Tata Iron and Steel, which is in Jharkhand, Bhilai Steel Plant in Chhattisgarh, Rourkela Steel Plant in Odisha, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Durgapur Steel Plant in West Bengal, Salem in Tamil Nadu, then Bhadravati and Vijayanagar in Karnataka, again Bokaro in Jharkhand, and then Indian Iron and Steel Company in West Bengal. So that was our iron and steel industry. Now come to cotton textile industry. First of all, what is meant by textile? Textile means woven fabric. This change from handmade textile to machine-made textile was done first of all in England, and this process of making cloth includes 5 processes, which include carding, which is making the fibers parallel, spinning is to make yarn, weaving is turning yarn into cloth, dyeing is to transfer color to the fabric, and then other types of processing. Important cotton textile centers now, they include in USA, Boston, Lowell, Bradford, New York, Atlanta, etc. In China, important centers are Shanghai, Lanzhou, Shenzhen, etc. UK, Manchester is a well-known textile center, including Glasgow, Bolton, etc. In Japan, Osaka is known as Manchester of Japan, named after the Manchester of UK, as it has large spinning mills and good quality fabric is produced at low cost here, and basically it is export oriented. Now talking about cotton textile industry distribution in India, there are many centers all around India, but the major the major states are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, and Mumbai. We have seen earlier also that it is a very important cotton textile center, which is known as Cottonopolis of India, and it is an important textile center because of favorable factors like uh, hot and humid climate, black soil, good port facility, and then a good hinterland, which is its surrounding region to which it has good access as a market. So all these factors make it a good textile center. So that was all about our iron and steel industry and cotton textile industry.